Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 876, that is middle of the linked list, and as the question suggests we have to return the middle node of the linked list. Okay, so for example, we are given this 1 2 3 4 5, we have to return 3, that will be the middle of the linked list. The output is 3 4 5 because when we'll be accessing 3 we'll be having 4 and 5 along with it. And in the second example, what we are having a even length of like the number of nodes, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this case we have to return the n by 2th or n by 2 plus 1th element, and if we'll just do using the inbuilt operators which we are having, we'll be automatically getting that particular number only, because in computer programming 3 by 2 means that it is not 1.5, it's 1. Okay, I guess I just no, okay, so 3 by 2 we'll be getting it as 1, and 6 by 2 we'll be getting it as 3. And so for example, in this case we have to return the we'll be returning n plus 1th node, that n by 2 plus 1th node, and if the length is odd then we'll be just simply returning the n by 2th node, because 5 by 2 will give me 2. Okay, so this is just the case, and what we'll be doing, we'll be having a list of nodes, let's call it nodes, that is equal to an empty list. And what we'll be doing is that for a node in, okay, not in, like let's use a current pointer that is equal to head, and then while current exists, what I'll be doing is I'll be appending it to my nodes dot append current, uh, and then what I'll do, I'll just move my current equal to current dot next, and then I have to return my nodes, the element which I have to return is if my length of nodes is even, then what I have to do is I have to return nodes n by 2th element, else I have to return okay, n by 2 plus 1th element, sorry, uh, plus 1th element, else I have to return the nodes n by 2th element. Oh, not n. Okay, let's just initially there is a variable n, that is length of the nodes. Okay, yeah, if in mod 2. Now let's run it. Okay, so in this case it doesn't get accepted in the in the even case. Okay, so it's just okay, and let's run this if this gets accepted. Okay, so I guess we don't have to check this condition. Yeah. Okay, now let's submit it. And it's not defined, I guess. Okay, now let's submit it, and it gets accepted. Okay, but there is one more approach to do this, that is by using two pointers that are slow and fast. So let's just quickly code that also, that as we know that I'll be moving my slow and fast pointer, I'll be moving my slow pointer by 1 and my fast pointer by 2 steps ahead. So at the end, what my I'll be returning my slow pointer, that will be pointing towards my middle node. Okay, so while fast exists and my fast dot next exists, what I'll be doing is slow equal to slow dot next, and my fast equal to fast dot next. Okay, and at the end let's just return slow, oh sorry, fast dot next, and just return slow. Now let's run it once, and it's accepted. Now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.